Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, everyone. Allow me introduce myself. My name is Eni Saputra, an information system student from STT Terpadu Nurul Fikri. On this occasion, I will be discussing HRMS, Human Resource Management System, a system that plays an overthought role in managing and optimizing human resource within an organization. Definition. Let us begin by defining the core concept of our system. Moving on to slide one. What actually is an HRMS? Technical and human resource management system is digital platforms that store all employee data in on database for any modern company. It works as central system. It keeps employee records, calculates monthly salaries, and manages leave requests accurately. It also replaces all spreadsheets with an organized system. Okay, everyone, after understanding what HRMS is, let's discuss how the system works. From employee data into the report generation, the HRMS process starts when HR departments, HR, um, HR enters employee data into the system. After that, the system records employee activities such as attendance, leave, and overtime. Um, The collected data is then processed automatically by the system. The results are used for payroll calculation and performance evaluation. Finally, the system generates reports that help HR management monitor and manage employee more effectively. Okay, data. When a company switches to HRMS changes the daily routines of hundreds of people study at PT Taiseng Indonesia. So when the HRMS has a positive impact on attendance, discipline, and employee retention. The key factor is perceived is easy of the use. When employees find the application easy to use, they adopted it enthusiastically and integrate it into their workflow. Next slide, advantages and the disadvantages. Now that we understand the data and how it works, is clear that every system has its own strengths and weaknesses. First, let's look at the advantages. The main benefit of an HRMS is its ability to automate tasks such as payroll, attendance tracking, overtime, allowances, dedication, and taxes. By reducing human error and saving time, it allows HR staff to focus on strategic tasks and boosts overall organizational productivity. However, where there are advantages, there are also challenges, and HRMS can be quite complex, making it difficult for new user to operate. Because of this, people training is required to ensure effective usage. Disadvantages. However, there are advantages. There are also challenges, and HRMS can be quite complex, making it difficult for new user to operate. Because of this, proper training is required to ensure effective usage. Additionally, the system demands regular maintenance, update data backups, and strict security measures. Consequently, implementing and maintaining an HRMS requires and significant investment of time, effort, and money. Okay, next slide, challenges and solutions. The complexity brings us to our next slide. How do we address critical security challenges? One of the most critical challenges in modern software is data privacy, since our system stores highly sensitive personal data such as national identity numbers, bank accounts, and home addresses. It can become a target for hackers. So, to protect this data, our system user AECs 256 encryptions and multi-factor authentication. This means that even if someone gets access to the database, they still cannot read the stored information because it remains unreadable and completely secure. Conclusion: to warp up our presentation today, let us summarize the core takeaways. In conclusion, we firmly believe that web-based HRMS is an indispensable operational asset. It is not just about replacing paper files with digitals from it is about building an efficient horizon organization to manage hundreds of employee effortlessly scaling their operation into the digital or with confidence. We would now like to conclude the presentation and open the floor to the evaluation panel. That brings us the end of our presentation. Thank you very much, respected leaders and papers, for our attention. We are now happy to address any question, suggestion, or constructive feedback you might have regarding our system design. Thank you.